Hello everyone, I am Prince and welcome to a new video of Learn Senusa. Today's video is about posture and restoring balance. So let's go and see what are those. Posture refers to the position of the body or its parts, including the relative arrangement of the limbs, spine, and other body structures. The way a person holds themselves while sitting, standing, or moving. There are two types of posture: good posture and bad posture. What is good posture look like? When you look at the spine from the front or the back, all 33 vertebrae appears in a straight line if the alignment properly. When you standing up, you should be able to draw a straight line from a point just in front of your shoulder to behind your hip to the front of your knee and a few inches in front of your ankle. This time, the center of gravity is directly over base of support, which allow to move efficiently with least amount of fatigue and muscle strength. If you are sitting, your neck should be vertical, not tilted forward. Your shoulder should be relaxed and arms close to your trunk. Knee should be at right angle and feet flat on the floor. Wear shoes with low heels and good arch support. It's also not good to be in a good posture all the time. Keeping your muscles and joints moving is extremely important. In fact, being stationary for a long period with good posture can be worse than bad posture. When do regular move? When you move smartly. Keep anything you are carrying close to your body. Backpacks should be in contact with your back, carried symmetrically. A bad posture can never be good because it can lead your pain, back pain, or etc. and many diseases. Sitting in a awkward position can lead bad posture. Proper posture can contribute to comfort, efficiency, and overall well-being, while poor posture may lead to discomfort, pain, and potential health issues. Now, let's talk about restoring balance. What is restoring balance? Restoring balance is the process of maintaining stability when the body is about to fall. To prevent falling, there are 4 types of strategy of restoring balance. So, first of all, ankle strategy. It involves making adjustment at the ankle joint when the body experiences loss of balance. When I am about to fall, I balance myself by ankle strategy. It used as a controlling for low magnitude or low base of support, and I am doing the ankle strategy only by ankle. Hip strategy. The hip strategy, it is also the fundamental strategies to restore balance and maintain an upright posture when balance is disrupted. The hip strategy primarily involves making adjustment at the hip joint. When the ankle strategy is insufficient to restore balance, then hip strategy works. Suspensory strategy. While jumping, there have some suspension in the body which prevents falling. This is called suspensory strategy. Here our body bends forward and may progress to squatting position. Here is center of gravity is also low. Stepping strategy. The stepping strategy involves taking a step to reposition the body's base of support and counteract the imbalance. When we walking and we are going to fall, we maintain balance by stepping forward to prevent from falling.